Welcome guys to the market recap of the 29th of June. What was the move of yesterday? Firstly, we swept all-time highs right here and then proceeded to move down. So my bias was bearish. I took no trades, but yeah, let's go over what happened in this session. So if I enable my drawings, first thing we can see is like NASDAQ and the S&P looks a hella lot different, man. So this move down right here was completely taken out by NASDAQ, also sweeping these all-time highs right here, which gives us a pretty nice 1 hour big ass SMT, so bearish. And also we just swept the 1 hour highs, we tapped this 4 hour gap, we inversed this 1 hour gap, we broke structure. So S&P looks really bearish. Now if we switch over to NASDAQ, damn, wait, where's the shit? Oh, so this are all-time highs previous to session. We go up, sweep the shit out of them. If we go over to ES, this is the move of market open. Somehow ES decided to move down whilst NASDAQ is just ripping up. But yeah, again, what do we have here? Another bearish SMT, which is just great for my bias. Sadly, we didn't take out this 1 hour fair value gap or London highs, which would have been nice, but didn't really need to, because ES wanted to take the shit out as fast as possible. Like, this is 15 minutes after market open, and NASDAQ at 15 minutes after market open is just coming down from all-time highs, whilst ES is already down here sweeping this shit out. So I wanted to take shorts, and we have the perfect opportunity here. We have SMT, we have a lot of bearish momentum, we have this 5-minute gap which got inversed, we closed it below the 79% extension, we tap this for value gap, and then we switch into the 1 minute. Voila, what do we have here? So 1 minute, we tap the fair value gap, we do some moving, and finally we inverse this gap right here. I did not take this trade because obviously, wait, this isn't even the right trade. Let me fix it. Damn, what the fuck? Oh fuck, it's locked. Okay, so this would have been the right trade. So it's a 1.22% risk to reward ratio. So if we go ahead and put in 5, you can see like I'm risking $450 for $540. I mean, not really the best trade. It would have played out. I don't know why I did not enter. It just was like I got emotional because I went over like entries at exactly 4. Damn, what the fuck? Yo, bro. Nah, bro, who the fuck is moving these markets? Okay, so at this time when I entered my short to these lows, we already fucking swept them and are now moving up. So in my mind, I got fucking emotional and I thought like, okay, I don't know, maybe I don't know, wait a bit, I don't know, just emotions, straight emotions. Even though we have such strong bearish momentum, like also on Nasdaq, oh no, okay, Nasdaq we did not break structure or inverse any gaps. We only swept the all-time highs, came down into this 1 hour gap, swept this 1 hour lick, and we got bit of moves up from it. But yeah, I think this was one of the main reasons. Yeah, this was one of the main reasons why I was concerned about this trade, even though we had so much bearish momentum. It's just a thing, like it's an experienced thing, because I'm not. I'm now trading for about 2 years, and um, I'm trading Nasdaq and the S&P 500 for about maybe now a bit more than half a year. So this is like, it's just an experience thing, and learning how to control my emotions, because if I would have controlled my emotions and if I would have entered this, I probably could have even went lower all the way to New York lows or Asia lows. I don't know. Fuck. Okay, they're gone. Maybe if I switch it up on the high time frame. Nah, fuck. No, I think these were the lows I could have been targeting. Um, yeah, pretty sure these lows were Asia lows or something. I don't know. Wait. No, those are previous New York lows right here. So I could have been targeting these lows, which would have gotten swept, which would have resulted in. Wait, let me check. If we move down into the 1 minute. Well, this is a 3.0 risk reward ratio. Let's put in 5 units, and this would have fucking banged. So I need to learn to pick my spots right, because what also happened whilst being in Greece is kind of crazy, because there was a trade which I did take. I was in profit about $100. That shit moved down quickly and broke structure, inverted the gap and shit. And I thought to myself, "Whoa, fuck that! I'm leaving this trade." And yeah, it would have hit for like $700. So gotta learn to control my emotions, trade off my strategy, and do what I'm told, basically. So yeah, this would have been an okay trade. I'm not mad that I didn't take it. It would have been $500, but the ratio is pretty ass. But yeah, a win is a win. But yeah, missed that one. Just gotta trade more, get more experience in the markets. Yeah, hopefully I'm going to take a nice trade today. A nice, I don't know, short, maybe a long. We'll see. 1530. Let's mark this. Bang. Yeah. See you guys. Hopefully with another banger winning trade. Bye.